Oh, brother. Hey, I'm getting ready to do some painting here. I already put some samples on the walls, and we figured that was the color. And I'm going to paint some ceilings white, and I'm going to paint the walls like that. But before I do that, it snowed the other day, and actually last night, and it's going to snow again tonight and tomorrow and the next day. And I've got some decks at another place that I need some floor mats, so that when I go out, I can wipe my feet on, or right inside the door even. You know what I mean? And because I tore out the carpet out of this little condo, there was carpet here. The carpet on the stairs, I haven't taken that out yet because it makes it nice and easy to go up there. Before I paint this whole area, obviously, I'll get all the painting done above. And all that was all carpeted, so I took all the carpet out, cut it about 6 foot wide or so to get it in the dumpster here on site, on property. And I thought, you know, I've thrown some carpet away. I've actually saved some, and now I'm thinking, hey, why not make a few mats? You know, like in your garage, if from your house into your garage. Maybe put a floor mat there. If you got some old carpet, you know, that you're tearing up, save a little bit. Cut yourself some floor mats. And so I think that's what I'm going to do here. I'll just show you this. We'll do one, and I'm probably gonna I'm gonna be painting most of the day, and I thought, well, before I get into the paint, why not just make a couple mats here real quick? That way I can take them home with me. And that's what I'm going to do. And I cut this, and I'm not sure which side is the straight side and all. Man, it looks like, I don't know if yeah. This side here doesn't look half bad. Okay? So I'm gonna make I was thinking about making them about 3 feet long or so. And see, this is just a little over 6 feet. And I'm gonna make it what should I make it? 2 feet wide? 2 feet wide. In fact, let's flip this around. I'm going to flip it around this way. Got my straight edge on that side. See, that side's all wonky. And we'll just do it like that. Make sure that you can see this. Okay. And I got a felt tip pen, right, and a pencil. I guess I could do it with a pencil. I'm gonna just make it 2 feet. That's plenty. Most places it's not that wide, you know. But that's good. I'm gonna keep it at 2 feet. I'm gonna keep it at 2 feet. Okay. And I might even use my chalk line. I wasn't planning on using my chalk line, but I happen to have a chalk line. Let's see. And the key is to cut the carpet on the back side. Okay, so that's why I flipped it upside down. I'm just going to make a little cut there. Okay, and then I can put my chalk line in that, you know, that. Oh, see how it goes up? It's curled up. Daddy nabbit. How can I get that down? How can I get that to stay down? Dog. Doggity dog. I'll fix you. I'll fix you. what I was gonna do was just do a couple marks, and you know what? I should have just done that, because I've got my level here as my straight edge. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut that, and I've got a sharp blade on my knife. And I'm just gonna do this here. No, I'm gonna do it halfway decent. Okay, that's why I could have just put a pencil mark every 2 feet and then connected the dots, right? Could have, but I didn't. I didn't. Okay, let's see here. See, when you cut it from the back side, it's so much easier. So much easier and cleaner. Okay? And now I'm gonna straighten this up, and on this end first. And there's all kinds of little lines on the back side of this. And so I'm just gonna pick one line. See if you can see that. You can. If I had a square, I could do it a different way, you know, but I'm just going to look at the line. There's little squares down here, and it's not 100% perfectly straight square doing it this way, but it's going to be close enough. Close enough. Just lining that up. Right, like that. Okay. I always carry my knee pad around. Whatever I'm doing, I use my knee pad. That's a wide floor mat. I could have made that a little bit narrower, but hey, I had the carpet, so why not, right? I can put those outside. I can put them. I can put it inside the door, whatever. Okay. Now let's just happen to see how long this is. 6'4", and so I'll make it 3'2". Let's make it 3 feet 2 inches. And 6'4" inches. Okay. 3 feet 2 inches. 6'4" inches. I could have made these floor mats just a hair narrower, but if you so inclined, you can measure one of your existing floor mats and see. But because we've got a deck, I want it plenty big, and it's probably only going to be for you know, throughout the winter, and it might last in the summer for a while. And when this thing gets really super dirty, I can just throw it away. There's my floor mat. What do you think about that? And I happen to have a vacuum in the other room. I'm just going to do this before I take it home. Okay? And I'll clean up the edges. See, that's plenty. Square enough, straight enough. There's my floor mats. And if you really want to get energetic, you can get yourself some carpet scissors. See that? That's what carpet scissors look like. And these suckers are sharp. Oh yeah, they're sharp. And I use these for all kinds of stuff, believe it or not. Cut tags off of towels and pillows, certain things like that. Ooh, these work really good for that. Okay, so then I can go around the side if I want, and just kind of check it out, and then I can trim this if I want. Okay, there you go. I'm probably going to make a couple more before I call it good. That way I can take those home, surprise mommy, have them nice and clean. The other ones I got are really super bad now, and I thought, hey, why not make some new ones? Hey, real quick, this is about changing your SanDisk cards, and see, here's 64 gigabytes. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.